Your next step is to open LAN School and import the CSV file into LAN School. To do that, you'll come down to the bottom right hand corner of your computer monitor and you'll have the little caret here that has the show hidden icons. We'll click on that and we have this round icon that is the LAN School icon, and we'll click on that to launch LAN School. If for any reason this icon does not show, you can click in the search bar and key in LAN School to find that. Now when you first launch LAN School, it is going to pull up every Chromebook that is signed in the school. And right now I just have a sample Chromebook signed in, so we just see one screen, but usually you will see hundreds in here, and this is the reason that we need to filter it down just to your classroom. So to load those CSV files, you are going to go up to Administer across the top, down to One-to-One, and we're going to go over to Manage Class Lists. From here, we're going to make sure that under this class list uses, we're going to change that to student name and then in parentheses AD, which is Active Directory name. Then we're going to come over to the right here and we're going to click on Import Students. Then from here, we're going to go to our desktop and find our LAN School folder and find our first period CSV file that we created. You will have to do this for each of your class periods individually. So I'm going to start with my first period. I'll click on that first period and then click on Open, and then it will populate a list of all of my first period students. Once that list is populated here, I'm going to go down to Save As, and this is creating a LAN School version of my class list. So we had a CSV file, now I'm importing that into a LAN School version. So notice I'm still on my desktop in my LAN School folder. Now I'm going to name this file with the same name that I used before. So I'm going to do first period. I do not want the .csv. I'm just going to key in first period and then I'll click on Save. If I go back and look on my desktop in my LAN School folder, I'll now see a first period that's my CSV, and I'll see a first period .lsc. The .lsc is my LAN School version that it created for me. Once I have the LAN School version created, I can go ahead and close my Manage Class Lists.